Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, we're doing our lashes at home because we got lashes at the house. Not only does this process save me time and money, but they also look bomb. Like, they look so cute. And they last me for a good week. And the cost? $15? Come on now. So if you want to recreate this look that I'm doing, you're only going to need 3 items. So I'm using the Ardell Seamless Under Lash Extensions. They're super soft and comfortable. They give me a natural look because I don't like to do too much when it comes to lashes, okay? Not too much. The second product I use to get this look is the Duo Bond and Seal Adhesive. So it's a 2-in-1, it has 2 sides to it. The bond side is the glue that holds all the lashes in place. And once you're done applying all the lashes, you then go to the seal side to remove any of the tackiness that might have been left behind by the glue. And it also adds an extra layer of protection for longer wear. And then the third item you're gonna need is a pair of tweezers. I like these lash tweezers right here. So the lashes come in different lengths. I'm gonna be using 2 16mm, 2 14mm, 2 12mm, and 1 10mm. So I'm gonna start off by taking my Duo Bond and Seal glue. I'm just gonna be using the bond side first. And I'm gonna take that and get real close to the camera. And what I'm gonna do is apply it to my lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the 16mm and make sure I place it. Make sure you don't apply it to your waterline. And the reason why you don't want to apply it too close to your waterline is because it's just gonna feel really uncomfortable, and you could even get glue in your eye. It's gonna burn. You don't want that. So right on your lashes. When my lashes are done, I feel like a brand new person. Look at this. Nah, look at this. So this was my quick little DIY at home lash extensions. I hope you love it as much as I do. Come on. We got lashes at the house. We need to be doing our lashes at home. Save your coins, sis. Let me know in the comments if you guys prefer to go get your lashes done or to do it at home yourself. And if you're like me and you want to do it at home, I got everything that I use linked below in my description box. Got everything off Amazon. Well, I spend $180 on lash extensions when you can spend $15 and look like this. But that's all I got for today, and I will see you in the next